Wow, I saw some really good thinking and some conversations taking place while we were going up through that. I would like to know, do I have any volunteers that would like to get up and share out their thinking?
We found out that we
each piece got one hole.
Yeah, and then we cut one in half, and then there wasn't enough to make it equal, so we took two halves. We took another two halves and then cut those in half, and then we put them in groups, and then each person got 3 brownies, because one person got 1/4, and one person got, they all got 1/4, 1/2, and 1 whole.
Okay, and when you put that together, Christian, that whole brownie, that half a brownie, and that quarter of a brownie, what did you determine that each person was going to get? What's that fraction?
3/4 and 1 whole.
So 1 and 3/4. And that's our I can today that says I can use mixed numbers to represent quantities greater than 1. That 3/4 makes that quantity greater than 1. Do you see that today? That's something new for us today. Okay, so let's talk about what we've seen today. We have seen now 2 groups when they were sharing their brownies that they determined with their 4 people. I heard that every group saw first to take a brownie and give everybody 1 brownie. Okay, let's draw down here our 7 brownies, and we're going to cross them out as we move along here. Okay, so how many am I going to cross out down here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I heard that we knew to divide, take 2 of the brownies and divide them in half. That half is up there. Another half, put it here. Use that half. Half is gone. That half. And then we were left with 1 brownie. And many of you saw that with that 1 brownie, you could take it, there's 4 people, we can divide that into 4ths, and we can give each person 1/4 of that brownie. Okay, let's look at the solution here. In just a minute, I want you to talk with your partner about, did they get an equivalent share? Let's remember about the word equivalent. Reach up into your mind and think about the word equivalent. I want you to whisper into your hand what the word equivalent means. Okay, blow it out. What does it mean? Equal, same, yeah. So when you're having that discussion, I want you to be talking about, are they equivalent? Okay? And then you're reasoning why you know that they are equivalent. Ready, set, talk. Thumbs up if you and your partner have reached an agreement on whether our fractions are equivalent or not. Okay, well, let's all turn and face me again. I want to hear some share outs. And when I'm listening to your share outs today, I'm listening to see if you can give reasons to, if you agree that they're equivalent, or if you and your partner agreed that, no way, they are not equivalent. I want to hear that reasoning too. Okay? Go ahead, Morgan.
I think got the same, so we think it's equivalent.
Okay. I am hearing that you are understanding what it means to have equal share. And when we have an equal share and we say that something is equivalent, it is the same amount. Okay, I want to do a final check-in. With your check-in cards, I want you to show me at the end of this lesson, where are you at? So I know where we can pick up and start tomorrow. Where are you at on this lesson today? Remember, blue means you're working and you can teach somebody else. Green, you're working fine. Yellow, I might need a little bit more help tomorrow, but I can keep working. And red, stop, Mrs. Smith, you need to find me first thing and get me on the right track. Okay, nice work.
The way I know how I'm learning is sometimes she does the check-in cards, and I know if I'm doing really well, I can put blue, and that means that I can teach someone else because I'm doing really well. And green is that I'm working good, but I can't really teach someone else. And yellow is that you need help, but you don't need immediate attention. And red, that you do need immediate attention and you can't just keep working.
I've noticed that when I use AFL strategies that kids are truly able to own their own learning. You know, they're able to see what they need as a learner, breaking down that I can, and being able to go through that lesson and be able to tell you what they need to master during that time. And probably a fun part for me is, you know, it might be several weeks later and they're saying, but remember that I can, you know, that they truly have owned it, because it wasn't just that one day that they mastered that target. They've taken it and they're carrying it over, and now they're able to apply it to something else.